Hello guys, so one more inventor exercise. So we will do this 3D model in inventor software. So go to software, click on new, choose a correct template, that's it. And here first we will make this base part, okay. So then we will make extrude cuts, okay. So for that you can see the radius of this one is R30 and the length is 70, 60 length and 70 plus 30, 100. So 60 by 100, I have to choose one sketch on right plane, select center rectangle like this and choose a dimension, and this is about 60, enter, and this is about 100. So finish and extrude up to 60, okay. So extrude up to 60 and make sure it is symmetrical axis, click on OK. Now opposite side it is not sharp edges, so which you can see that it is a round edges. So for that I am choosing chamfer, or sorry, fillet I am choosing, and the radius is 30, okay. So isometric view. So next, so there is a two more chamfers are there, which is R5. So we will do we will give it like here onwards. So fillet R5, select this edge also, click on OK. Okay, now we will make this cutout and this cutout. So because it is a through cutout, okay. Okay, we will make that, okay. So go to this top plane, add sketch, let's take one circle right here, make one line first and make it into construction. And what is the diameter of this circle, which is 30, and what is the distance? Distance is 30 from this to this, which is 30, enter, and make sure this center point of this circle and this line are coincidence with each other, okay. And we will make this cutout also 4 mm gap. So for that 30. So let's take one line like this and make sure from this center to this end of, which is nothing more than 30, okay. Next, make it into construction, select circle which is a diameter of 6, enter, and next 4 mm offset, take offset 4 mm, enter. Okay, normal view. We just hide it. So okay, you can delete it. This line I don't need it. So we will draw it again. And take the offset command and choose the 2, enter, select again 2, enter, okay. Now take one more line from here to here, which is for constraining purpose. So trim this and this, trim this also, okay. Let's take one line from here to here, that's it, right. Now make sure this center point of this is lies in this one, center point is lies in this one, you can see. Okay, symmetry, these two lines, the center line, and dimension. So dimension, which is not more than, which is 4 only. Okay, okay, these two circles are equal. Okay, now give the dimension for this, which is diameter 30, right? So that means radius 15, and collinear these two lines. That's it. Every sketch is constrained now, and this is not constrained. We don't need to constrain it. Okay, finish, and extrude cut, and remove material up to next. So click on OK. The first cutout is completed. The next is select this surface, add sketch. See, this is the cutout where I want to make it now. For that, you can see nine. Okay, select a circle first. So radius of this circle, which is R8, that means 16. Okay, from this edge to this edge, so how much it is? Okay, 29, 30 minus 29, which is 9. Okay, 9, enter. Right, so make a one line from this edge to this edge, make it into construction, and choose the coincidence, set the center point and this line. That's it. Now take two lines, okay, now make sure these two lines are tangent. Okay, so now trim this, and this also. Okay, well, we want to make this cutout only, right? Next, so finish, extrude, so 12. Okay, set the surface again, add sketch. What is a 10 diameter circle. Finish and extrude, remove material up to next, click on OK. So up to next it is not completed, so click on this feature and choose the edit feature option and make sure it is through all, click on OK. Okay, so isometric view. The next cutout, we have to make these cutouts. Okay, so which is seems like same thing. So what we have drawn for this side, same is here also. So what can I do? I'm just copying that sketch, Ctrl C, and paste it in the same part. Ctrl C, copy, and okay, paste, Ctrl V. So I don't know why it is not working. Origin, Ctrl V. It should work. Okay, it is not working, means we will go on. Okay, so select circle, and which is a maybe concentric of this one, diameter is 30, so we will give it later. So select one more circle, so at this, and line command from here to here, and make sure this line is coinciding with this origin. Dimension 30 from this to this, which is nothing but 30. Okay, 30. Why it is so? That is a mistake again. So it is 130 actually. So this extrusion, this entire extrusion, first we add on the extrusion, right? So edit sketch. So this is 130. Finish. Now it will be okay, and right click on the sketch, edit sketch. So now this is fine, right? Okay, let's make it into construction. Take offset, choose this, and 2 enter, 2 enter. Okay, trim. Okay, so this is a complete sketch. Now choose these two are equal. Okay, dimension, this one is 30, that means 15 radius. See again, and make sure symmetry is these two lines and this line symmetry. Dimension for this one is 6, enter. So 4, enter. Symmetry, so no, not collinear. Okay, so everything is constrained, I think. So trim. Okay, this entire profile I need to cut. Finish it and extrude. This entire section is selected. Subtract, make sure through all. Click on OK. Okay, so one more thing is left is this cutout. For that, click on the top plane, sketch, and radius is 8. Diameter is 16. Enter. OK. Now 21. So this is my center point line. So fine. So dimension constraint is still active from this to this, which is 21. Enter. Now let's take one more line. Okay, make it into construction and choose the coincidence. Select the center circle and this. That's it. I think this seems like this counter bore, so we can simply use counter bore. So finish, just delete the sketch, I don't need it. So select the surface and add sketch. Let's take one point only here. Okay, now constrain this point properly. So it is 21, right? And make sure the coincident this point and this origin, so which is not possible. Okay, let's make a one line from this center point to this. Make sure it is horizontal. Cancel, delete. Okay, make it into construction and select the coincidence. That's it. Now choose a hole command and choose counter bore hole. So counter bore dia is 16 and inner dia is 10. Depth is not given up. Okay, we will do it. So 16 is a counter bore dia and this depth we will keep it like this. We will change it. Okay, now up through all no, not it is through all, up to next condition is not available to this surface only. So delete this and choose the position as this only, and select the surface is this only. Okay, now increase this value as 15 or 18 or 20, enter. Okay, the same thing I want to do on opposite side also, but I want to use mirror tool. Okay, so use the mirror feature, and features I want to select is this one, hole only. I can use the top plane. Okay, features I can choose this one. Now click on OK. Now if you go to tools, measure from this surface to this surface, you have to get 24, but here only getting 20. That means extra material is cutted. So you want to increase this depth, right? So for that I need to decrease this depth to 2 mm. So select this feature, edit. So just depth you have to reduce -2, so which is nothing but 18, enter. Now if you measure it again, this surface to this surface, you will be getting 24. That is what mentioned right here also. Okay, so that's it guys. That's how you can use the measure tool and all other features to make this part. So if you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to my channel for getting more updates like this. Okay.